Hey Blades, part of being a family is encouraging each other through our successes. If you want to let a teacher or a friend know how proud of them you are, you should fill out a Blade Family Shoutout. This will create a note for them from you, letting them know how much you appreciate them and how much they have shown that they exemplify one of our family values, which are focus, attitude, mentorship, integrity, legacy, and you. If you have never done this, we want to walk you through how to do it. First, you get to the online form either through one of our many QR codes posted around campus or through clicking the banner on our school website. Once you get to the form, you will be asked to let it record your school email address. Check the box. Then, put the name of the person that you want to give a shout out to. First and last name, please. Next, click whether they are a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior, teacher, or staff. Then, in the pull-down menu, pick the family value that they exemplify most. Once you have done this, explain how they exemplified that value, give your name, and if you have any further information, like a teacher they have or their six digit, submit and you are done. Shoutouts let us make sure that everyone at East feels valued for their contributions. Thanks for listening, and let's go Blades!